honestly. Let's start from the beginning.
I remember you had like a you were like,
what are you doing?
I'm gonna move the chair.
Why?
So
Aren't you gonna come in the video?
Yeah, you can do the song first.
Well, come in and just, I don't know, just be in the video. Okay,
I
want to be along in the video.
Okay. Who is it?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Who is texting me?
Tick, tick, tick.
Okay. I love this song. Could we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Could we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now. After all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time when you fade to the blackness, and when you're staring at that phone in your lap, and you're hoping but then people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold, and when your plans unraveling, they say, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, airplane, sorry I'm late, I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I'll switch my flight, and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night. And you pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. We pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bag. Yeah, back when I was trying to get into the subway, and back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, oh maybe I'll go back to the days before the politics that we call the rap game, and back when ain't nobody listened to my mixtape, and back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is for the cater, what's up, Bobby Ray? So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this shit? So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes. We can pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. We can pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Oh, oh, wish right now, wish right now. Oh,
It's like we're gonna advertise the movie.
So we want to talk about something relevant, right?
Yeah, what's relevant? I haven't been in society for a while.
Well, this is my real hair. That's relevant.
That's for true.
I hate
It's for true. It's like the worst thing you could possibly
that's
say.
for true. What does that even
It's
mean?
it's like Victorian slang.
Okay, so Los Angeles is the holy grail of life. Like, if you went there with me, you would love it so much. I'm not saying like if you went there with me in particular, but like
If I would go to LA.
it's just so different from here. It's just like
I don't know.
here there's like a cloud. There's like a cloud looming over it. and it's like
Yeah.
a cloud of like instability and insecurity.
Everyone
And there
has to
it's
be
like
like
you-
real. You know, it's like
There's like the chore of trying to be real to the point that you're not even real because you're trying to be a realness that you're not. But there it's like, I don't know why I just get people from there. Here I find myself asking people like in my head all the time, like, what is wrong with you? Like, why are you acting like that? Like, you know what I mean? Whereas there it's like I just get what people are talking about, and I don't know, it's just,
you know, you're just, it's not your region. This region
is it your region? You would think that this is your region?
I mean, it's been a while since I've been here, yet I haven't been able to like quite assert myself.
That's what I'm trying to say. Like, I've been here forever too,
It's
but
like
I haven't
I
ever been
really
able to
have,
fully integrate
like,
myself
friends that I
into
really
society.
am like.
I have friends. I have like 2 friends that I love, but in terms of just society-wise, I don't feel like just the lifestyle is something that I've been ever fully able to like integrate myself into.
It's not it. It's not.